Coconut cracks, the milk flows white, veggies dancing in warm light, spice meets cream in one rich toss, stirred to life coconut sauce. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, the best channel in the world. Welcome back to a Phayte effect. So today's video, we're going to be learning how to make coconut sauce. Not everyday coconut rice. We have to switch it up a little bit. Yeah, so the first thing I'm doing is breaking that our coconut before transferring it into our blender to continue breaking it. So the food processor was just to break it a little bit and to ease the stress of our blender. And you'll notice that I added little water to it, so it depends on how you want to do your own. If you want it to be overly diluted, or if you want it to be like mine, I added half cup of water in mine. Okay, so now this is how it looks like, but we can't just turn it into a sauce like this because there is shaft inside. There's coconut shaft, guys, and we cannot eat it. I don't know if people eat it like that, but for this our Phayte effects recipe, we are going to be removing the shaft. And what better way to do this than using this our sieving cloth? It spilled, so you want to make sure you are careful when you are doing yours. And not only that, you want to make sure your workspace is neat, your kitchen is neat, your hands are neat, everything is neat. So right now I'm just pouring it into my sieving cloth, and yes, as you can see, I'm making sure I'm very careful with it. Now the next step is just to press out that milk from it. Right now I do not have my hand gloves, but if I was doing this for commercial purpose, like I wanted to give maybe several people, or I wanted to sell the coconut sauce, I would wear my hand gloves. But because I was making it for myself, I really did not care, and my hands were very clean because I washed them with water and soap. So you can also make sure you wash yours with water and soap in case if you do not want to wear hand gloves. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our special ingredient, our coconut milk. Look at how creamy it looks, and it is so white. In fact, let us just move on. So right now I put this cooking butter into my frying pan at low heat, and as you can see, now I want to pan fry my meat. This is my already boiled and sauced meat. I did this overnight, so it was inside my fridge just sitting pretty. Did not know I was gonna bring it out today and do things to it. Anyway guys, so right now I am pan frying my meat with my butter. The reason I'm not using groundnut oil is because this our cooking butter has low cholesterol, and that's what I actually wanted. But if you want to use groundnut oil for yours, you can go ahead. So right now what I showed you guys was Vova multi-purpose seasoning. You see this seasoning, it has so many things inside: coriander powder, ginger, garlic, everything that you need to literally sauce your meat, and it is very healthy for you. So I cannot cook without using this Vovam multi-purpose seasoning. So I'm gonna put a number on the screen so that you guys can patronize them, and you can also get this for your dish. Your coconut sauce will not taste nice without that seasoning. So after a while, this is what my meat came out looking so good. So right now I'm just gonna remove it from our frying pan. As you can see, in fact, I really liked it. It just gave this it is fried, it is not fried vibe, and I was just really happy. So it was scenting so good, and yo, we have to move on. So these are my vegetables. We have our red bell peppers, carrots, green bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. In fact, when I was getting my vegetables at the market, I made sure I got the best. Like, I wanted them to look so good. I wanted to get the best. So this is one thing you need to look out for when you are in the market. Get vegetables that actually look good, not the ones that are spoiled. So right now I'm using this my Irish peeler to peel my carrots, because you want your carrots to actually look good. And you see, these carrots have dirties on it, so even when you wash it with salt, it will still have some things on it. So that's why I always like peeling it first. So right now, as you can see, I'm just cutting my carrots long. You know, we Nigerians, we mentioning things to things twice. Puff puff, long. I don't even know. So yes, I'm cutting my carrots long, and I did that with all my vegetables. As you can see, everything looks so good. The only thing I did not cut long was onions, and that's because my mom doesn't like onions. So she sees it long inside her sauce, she would not eat it. So yeah, back to my frying pan. It still had my meat sauce and everything that I fried there, and I added butter to it. And now I'm going in with my onions. So guys, I'm going to be frying my onions till it gets translucent. The reason I'm doing this is because, as I said, yes, I'm going to call my mom out. She does not like onions, so if she sees onions inside this sauce, she would not eat it, and if she doesn't eat it, she will not be happy. So but if I was just doing it for myself, I would just fry these onions a little bit and leave it. But anyway, I had to fry my onions till it gets that brown. So now I'm going in with my red bell pepper. It looks so good. Like, even looking at it right now, I'm salivating. I would never added everything. So yeah, I'm just like frying it. You guys are gonna see a lot of stirring, a lot of frying, because I actually love stirring food a lot. At this point, I'm sure people already know me. So now this is my green bell pepper, and I'm adding it to the sauce. You know why I love using bell peppers to cook is because they are rich in vitamin A, fiber, potassium. Yo guys, in fact, they prevent vision loss and cataracts. They're rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, and they are potential cancer prevention. Guys, if you have not been using bell peppers to cook, what are you waiting for? These things are so good that they're even good for your health and for your skin. So this is one thing I do not joke with. So now this is my yellow bell pepper. So anytime you want to cook like a sauce, please try and incorporate all these bell peppers inside, so that you can get all these benefits. They even also contain lutein and zeaxanthin that, as I said before, help prevent vision loss and cataracts. So now this is my carrots, you guys. At this point, if you do not like carrots, I don't know what they are doing, but obviously I had to add carrots inside, and then I fried everything. I want to make sure that when you are frying it, you are not over frying it. You don't want to like remove all these nutrients that I've said from it. So you can just fry it for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and it should be ready. Can you see that extra carrot that just fell there? In fact, that one is a paid actor. So now I'm going in again with my Vova multi-purpose seasoning. I told you guys that I do not joke with this seasoning. Yo, like, it is always with me. It is always in my house. It is always with me in school. In my student apartment, I must use this thing to cook. It is so rich in different things, and I feel like you guys really need to get it. So your coconut sauce will not taste like Phayte Effects own if you do not use Vova spices. Now guys, yes, we're going in with the main ingredient, our coconut milk. Guys, do you know that this coconut milk actually supports digestion? And not only that, it contains lauric acid that the body converts to monolurine. I'm sorry that I'm going all science on you guys, but I have to tell you. And this monolurine has antimicrobial properties and antiviral properties, meaning you see all those germs and everything,
these things will fight it off. So when you are taking this our coconut sauce, you know that you are boosting your immune system. Not only that, it supports heart health and it aids in weight management. So now I've gone in with my salt and my seasoning to make it, more flavorful. So you guys can do this to your taste. I don't always tell you guys the amount of maggi that I'll be using, the amount of seasoning I use, because I believe every single person should be able to, use theirs, like, to your, preference. So right now I've gone in with my meat, and I'll just cover it and allow it to steam. So far so good. I love it. I love it. Look at the color. So to enhance the color, I'm using Vovam fried rice spice. This one has a lot of like curry and other things in it that I really like. You're going to be seeing all the things that it has on the screen. So I just added it to just like make this my coconut sauce more healthy, more rich for me. And yeah, I'm going in with my pepper because yeah, I'm not Yoruba sha, but I love pepper as a Nigerian. If you don't add pepper to your food, what are you really doing? But for people that do not like pepper or like pepper, hey, you can just like do it to your taste. That is why you are cooking it. So far so good. After adding my pepper and stirring it, I covered it and allowed it to steam. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, mommy and daddy, Lady Vex family, our coconut sauce is ready. And I decided to plate it like this, just giving you people a different vibe. So you can actually do it like this when you are plating it for yourself. So I have this my nicely molded rice in the middle of my plate, and I am just going to be surrounding it with our coconut sauce because it looks so good, guys. When I mean that, everybody was literally in the kitchen telling me, what are you cooking? Because it was just scenting so good. It was scenting so good. The meat was just giving. It wasn't giving like over fried. It was just giving everything it was supposed to give, guys. And this is such a healthy meal, rich in vitamins, rich in fiber, rich in potassium, rich in a lot and a lot of things. So instead of going outside to get supplements when you want to get your vitamin C and whatnot, please, ladies and gentlemen, you need to make this coconut sauce. This is what you need. If you know that you want to eat healthy, this is rich, it is lovely, it is delicious. Like, it tasted so delicious. It was so good that I actually forgot to record myself eating it. Don't worry, another time I'll record myself eating it. Will you guys try this thing? Please tell me in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much.